Online Manipur YouTube channel as being biriba mayam pum namak po amuka na taram no oksari ahan badayam maru e pawam of the thamjage Imphal West district ke manung chanba naikanong khundage Sakhangdabasing na fakiba SERTO Thangthang Kom Sakhangdabasing na Nongmeina Kaptuna Hatlamle, an identified man abducted and killed an Indian army soldier SEPOY SERTO Thangthang Kom who was on leave, and he was abducted from his home in Tarung Naikanglong Happy Valley, Imphal West. The body of an Indian army soldier was found at Khuningthek village in Manipur, Imphal East district on Sunday. Officials said he was identified as SEPOY SERTO Thangthang Kom of the army DSC platoon at Laimakhong in Kangpokpi district. Aduga matang update asina nupi sing phajile numit tarani da ing thange Amit Shah haiba khuigi mayam na ngarang handagi heading oina newspaper da phone ki badu ki matang da DIPR Directorate of Information and Public Relations na sengdurakli. It has come to the notice of the state government that many unverified fake news are published, broadcast in media, print, electronic and the social media regarding the statement made an issue discussed during the current visit of Honorable Speaker, Honorable Minister and Honorable MLAs to New Delhi to meet the central leaders so as to bring about a peaceful, lasting solution to the prevailing situation in the state. It is therefore requested to the entire media fraternity to publish on those news items released officially by Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR in connection with the aforementioned visit of the Honorable Speaker, Honorable Minister and the Honorable MLAs. Further, a new item published in Sanai-Laibak Daily newspaper on 16 September 2023 with the headline Nupi Sing Phajile Numitarani the Ing Thange Amit Shah is completely and totally unfounded haina sengdokli. Aduga matangi update asina singjamai waikhom leikai da hojik su mayam pulli fakiba missing condition yaudana thadokadabni haibagi khongjang chathari mayam aduga masdagi matam karamna online dagi paisa tan gadabage haibdo hai jaramge masige applications asiki maming tin pati master kawai masdagi khoige game sanar ga paisa tan gadabne te refer and earn to ga paisa tan gadabni sidagi sida hai simi yam refer to matam da 20 rupees pangani aduga miduna karigumba research tawrok pataragadi up to 30% commission pangani CIG income proof view 4650 ne aduna mayam interested lay bataragadi ai video sigi makada ai sigi application sigi link pijaram ke mayam so idum ke download to view aduga online degi paisa tan view aduga 10 minute khuding gi so 10 rupees sida pangani gulaksi aduna ai description ta link pijaram ke mayam so idum ke download to view per refer da 20 rupees pangani aduga up to 30% research commission pangani aduna pambasing interested laibasing na ai description ta link pijaram ke without investment the refer and earn to ga tan gadabani. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you have enjoyed and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.